Hi, welcome back once again. In this video, we are describing Class 12 CBSE 2026 Board Exam Answer Keys, Subject Mathematics, Question Paper Code 6551, Case Study Problems, Question number 38. The question is, a company produces cylindrical tumblers open from the top. Since they want uniformity in the product, they fix the surface area of the tumblers produced. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. For a tumbler, V is its volume, H is the height, and R the radius of the circular base. Then the first question is differentiate its volume with respect to the radius of the base where the surface area is constant. And the second, if the company wants to maximize the volume of each tumbler, then establish a relation between height and the radius of the base. Here they fix the surface area, fixing the surface area of the tumblers. So all the tumblers with an equal size. Let V the volume, H the height, and R the radius that's given. Let S be the surface area of the open cylinder. That is, S consists of base area and curved surface area. In a cylindrical shape, the base area is circle. So base area, we know that base area is equal to pi r square. And curved surface area, that's also we know 2 pi r h. Hence we can write S is equal to pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Now we need to solve for h. That is 2 pi r h. We can rewrite that equation as 2 pi r h is equal to S minus pi r square. That is h is equal to S minus pi r square divided by 2 pi r. Now we need to find the volume of cylinder. That is, we know the formula V is equal to pi r square h. Now substitute the value of this h to here. We get V is equal to pi r square into S minus pi r square divided by 2 pi r. Here pi and pi cancel, r and 1 r cancel. So we can write that r into S minus pi r square divided by 2. That is, we can rewrite it V is equal to S r minus pi r cube divided by 2. So we need to differentiate this equation and we will get the answer of the first question. Differentiate volume with respect to radius. That is dV by dr is equal to d by dr of SR minus pi r cube the whole divided by 2. Here 1 by 2 is constant, so we can take it out. Then d by dr of SR minus d by dr of pi r cube. So we can differentiate 1 by 2 into S is common, constant, and differentiation of R is 1 minus pi is a constant and 3r square. Hence the answer is dv by dr is equal to s minus 3 pi r square divided by 2. This is the answer of the first question. Now moving on to the second question. Maximize the volume of each tumbler with and relate to H and R. To find the maximum volume, set the first derivatives to 0. We have the first derivative, that is dv by dr is equal to s minus 3 pi r square divided by 2. We will set this to 0. That is s minus 3 pi r square by 2 is equal to 0. That is, we can write s minus 3 pi r square is equal to 0, or s is equal to 3 pi r square. Now in the beginning we will find s is equal to pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Substitute the value of x here. That is pi r square plus 2 pi rh. That's equal to 3 pi r square. So moving this to here, 2 pi rh is equal to 3 pi r square minus pi r square. That's equal to 2 pi rh is equal to 2 pi r square. Here 2 cancel, pi cancel, 1 r is cancelled. That is h is equal to r. This is the relation between h and r to maximize the volume. For maximum volume, the height of the tumbler must be equal to its radius. That is h is equal to r. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12.